Definitely looks sick. We don't need no subpar junk. I advertise you as being the best drone pilot there is, dude.
You don't slow down, don't think twice. Florida man, Scott throw his vice. A full tank of laugh and a neon night. Yeah, must be nice.
Oh yeah, where we at, Doug? Got you at the fireworks stand.
Best damn fireworks in the world.
This is the local, man. This guy's got a permanent fixation here. So when the fireworks come into town, he puts up this thing. So hopefully he's got some good stuff for us. Oh yeah, Doug, we're about to kill it, man. I feel like we're gonna be like little kids and have a hard time deciding. It's gonna be the problem. So what's up, homie?
No,
dude?
right here.
Girls with guns, dude.
Sir. I'll buy this one. Okay, yes sir.
Maybe I should have left you at home, dude.
We got triple.
Yeah, kid in the candy store, man.
Shotgun wedding. Hella sweet.
What do we need? We need to go out and look outside first before we make a full decision, you know what I mean?
Friday night lights.
I don't see no Husker do's and Husker don'ts.
They got a shot out one.
If they got a shot out one, we're getting it, man. You're sold on the girls with guns, dude. I'm for the what's up homie right now, you know? Let's go out here to the outside and see what ladies first, huh? All right, Doug, maybe I should have came here without you, dude.
It's gonna be sick.
Should be pretty tight. We'll see what this totals up.
I think they're gonna
Hold the line. Might hurt my pocketbook. Come on. Got everybody here. Just got back from the fireworks stand. Doug made me spend a little more than I was anticipating.
deserve it. They gotta feed their family.
I think I'd have been better off to do it by myself, man. But so got a wild hair in my butt. I called you last night, right? Called you today.
This morning.
I text you this afternoon. Me and Doug had talked about this. Me and Doug talked about it last week. I was like, man, we got to be on our game with the 4th of July. Aaron, I called him. Aaron was the first call this morning. It was like 10 o'clock. And I got Jot on the way. But here's the deal. I want to do something cool for the 4th of July. And the cool shot is basically for Facebook, Instagram. But I kind of want to show you the behind the scenes of it. I showed you getting prepped up ready. It'll take us a few times. We'll get a few dry runs in, but the idea is to hit this rhythm section with fireworks and to make it look extreme and as rowdy and gnarly as we can while all this is going on. I got AJ, he brought his dirt bike. Aaron brought his dirt bike, so we should have a sick little train going. Did you bring the cart too?
I did.
Hell yeah, you brought so we got, everybody bought go-karts too. I bought enough Roman candles for us to have a Roman candle fight. We're about to have a rad day. This is Saturday before 4th of July. When you guys are watching, it's going to be 4th of July. So happy 4th to you mother suckers. And hold the line and come on. A little behind the scene footage here, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Normally have you a dugout, but you know, we got to improvise on the mini boat.
I like this setup. It's my favorite.
This is people don't see this side of it, you know. Got them dialed in. I think AJ and Aaron have dialed the jump in enough where I think they're comfortable on it. Aaron's now started riding the rest of the track, trying to dial in the rest, and it looks like AJ has too. So looks like we got this section dialed in. We'll go from there. So they're trying to set up the fireworks over here. But I need to go, I need to get a few laps in and try to dial in the jumps first, because we really only got one good take of that $150 firework, which hopefully it ends up being a good one. And I knew I would say that on camera so I wouldn't get beat up. So. But they're over here working on that. I got to get some laps in. They hopefully got a mental note before, because we're really running out of light. And to make this work, it's got to be enough light where Aaron and AJ can see, but not enough light where it drowns out the fireworks. So slim chance here.
Get it.
Oh yeah. I couldn't find a half-face helmet where I don't look like a goofball. I really like the American flag one, but I don't feel like it's very protective at all. And then this one, I feel like it's protective, but I feel like I look like a goofball because it just like squeezes my cheeks together.
Well, Banksy put you onto that.
No, this is a different one. The one that Banksy, my head don't. He's got that narrow, long head, and not me. I got a fat one. like they're confident staying with me, so I think we'll go mount these fireworks and try to do some cool stuff. Pretty sick.
Say they're definitely getting dusted out.
Yeah, for sure. That's why I already knew, like, the timing of this has got to be perfect for all this.
Well, they jumped the same time. They were perfect. So.
Oh, that's perfect. So, oh yeah. Feel confident after them couple runs?
I feel dirty.
Oh yeah, yeah. I already knew I was gonna hose you. I figured I was gonna hose you guys down. See what CJ's came up with. Apparatus here. Oh yeah, just a little trimming. I think we're in there with this. So, obviously doing the YouTube is to entertain you guys, but to be honest, some of the raddest thing about doing this YouTube is literally just giving me a reason to get my buddies together, to do cool stuff, to have some fun. And this is like literally the definition of it right here. Like, we put in a little bit of work, all put our minds together, hopefully come up with a badass shot. That, you know, we need them viral views, dude. 500,000 plus, man. Otherwise, I feel like chumps out here, you know? So hopefully we get the support from that. I'm gonna say within 45 minutes, an hour, this stunt's going off. So hold the line, come on. Oh yeah. We got the old monkey wrench on the back here, homie.
Get her going.
Thank you, Aaron. Freaking putting the super sluggers on there. Wow. My old lady's going to get the fireworks that I forgot at the fireworks stand. Forgot about half of them. We like get here, I was like, man, I had about 100 Roman candles. Not here, they're still at the fireworks stand. So we do got the Gone Mud in the back. It's set up, welding blanket, protect the old Arctic Cat. Camera set up, couple doodads there, little doodads in the rims. Got doodads in their rims. Oh, double monkey wrench, boy, and turned around. Upgrade. We're close, real close to that time where everything's gonna come together and hopefully all this works out. Otherwise, we might just have a fireworks show and nothing cool behind it. But like I said, the idea is come around, do 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 the whole time, just to give you idea of what's in my head right now, but we'll see how it works out. Come on. Hopefully this works. One of these wild ideas I get. But it's cool. We at least get all our friends together, do some cool stuff. All right, let's do it.
CJ's lighting, AJ's lit.
I'll say the first one was a success, except for I think AJ stalled, so we gotta redo it.
She did not want to start either.
We gotta redo it. We got the old Going Mud, and she's here smoking. I think she did her job. We'll see what the footage looks like, but we're gonna try to remount all this stuff and do it again. We got a little bit more time. Hold the line.
It's freaking awesome.
That was really cool.
He knows we're here. Just get over this way. Get towards me. Looks sick.
Look sick?
Looks sick.
Hell yeah. Hopefully Doug got a good shot. We're killing it.
When these things were going off, Doug was right behind you. So
Oh, that's sick.
everybody else did really good. AJ was right on your butt. Like, it should be cool.
I'd like to get a few more of just steel wool in the rims and go like,
If we have any more zip ties.
yeah, we'll have to find some zip ties. That's got to be our minor problem there. Hopefully it looks sick.
They look
Look,
cool.
look at all my friends, man. Come through to make a rad time.
Jada.
Definitely looks sick.
You happy with that? Pickiest guy ever on footage.
I want no chump footage, man. We don't need no subpar junk. I advertise you as being the best drone pilot there is, dude. I want no mediocre stuff.
I'm knowing them out. You know what I mean? He's getting
You guys are team ADHD if I've ever seen
right.
one.
Oh, yeah, I would say successful day. I haven't seen the footage, but I hope it's rad, and I hope I get the broadcast of you guys as being rad. Hopefully Doug did his part. That's all we got to worry about right now is if Doug did his part. Me, Aaron, and AJ did ours. So it's on you, Drone Daddy. We'll see. You know what I mean? Giving yourself a pat on the back.
Yeah, dude, it's all in my bag, and I think I can carry it.
In the bag. All right, all right. Well, you know what it is. Must be nice. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Come on.